Well friends, here is problem number 88. Yes, before going to the problem, I will read the given direction. The direction is, in each of the questions, there are 4 figures. Among these, 3 are alike in some way, while 1 is different. Find the figure which is different. So this is the given direction. So here they have given 4 figures. They are nothing but 4 options. Out of 4 options or 4 figures, 3 are alike in some way and 1 is different. We have to find that different figure. So here the given figures, this is first, second, third, fourth. So there are 4 figures. If you observe those 4 figures, in all the figures I am having shapes pentagon, circle, hexagon and triangle. In the second figure also I am having triangle or pentagon, triangle, hexagon, circle. In the third figure also pentagon, circle, hexagon, triangle. In the last figure also I am having pentagon, circle, hexagon and triangle. Now as said in the given direction, 3 are alike. They are related with some relation. They are alike in some way and 1 is different. We have to find that one. So if you observe carefully the first option, if you observe the shapes present in the square, I am having shapes that is pentagon, circle, hexagon, triangle. If I move in clockwise direction, if I move in clockwise direction, I am going to get figures pentagon. After that pentagon, I am having circle. After circle, immediately I am having hexagon. Immediate next will be triangle and then the circle repeats. In the second option, you can say pentagon. In the clockwise direction, if I come, then I am getting triangle. Okay. In the previous, I got after pentagon in the clockwise direction, circle. If I observe the same thing in second option, after pentagon in the clockwise direction, I am getting, yes, I am getting triangle. So this is what different. Now let it be. Now I will move to third option. So in the first option, what we got after pentagon, we got circle. Now the same thing I will see in the third option. So here is the pentagon. Moving in clockwise direction, I am getting circle. Pentagon, circle. After circle in the first option, I got hexagon. Okay, in the third option, after circle in the clockwise direction, it is hexagon. Now after hexagon, in the first option, I got triangle in the clockwise direction. Here also after hexagon, in the clockwise, I am getting triangle. So first, third options are alike. That is, the figures or the shapes which are present inside the square are arranged in clockwise direction. Okay, first and third are same. Even you can cross check with the last, that is fourth. In the fourth, I am having pentagon here. Okay, after pentagon in the clockwise direction, which shape I should get? Yes, it should be circle. So is it circle? Yes, it is the circle. If I move in the clockwise direction, I should get circle and it is there. Now after circle, which shape I should get if I move in clockwise direction? Yes, it is hexagon. Now the last shape after hexagon, which shape? Yes, it is triangle. So option 1, option 3, option 4, the figures which are present at the options 1, 3, 4 are alike. The option 2 is different. The figure which is present at option 2 is different. So option 2 is the right option. Well friends, this is how we solve this example. Yes, I will move to next problem.